50 miles from the nearest coast. No roads, no rescue, no way out. Mr. Beast and his crew just got dropped off and left behind. Stranded for real. The boat's gone, and all that's left is a haunted island that hasn't seen humans in 250 years. 7 days. One crate of supplies. A jungle crawling with venomous surprises. And somewhere out there, the most dangerous tree on earth. Welcome to your worst vacation ever. Day 1 kicks off with a bang. The moment they set foot on the island, Jimmy looks up and realizes the tree above him could straight up kill them. Instantly, he morphs into Island Mom, fussing over everyone's safety. Sean slips into survival dad mode, barking orders. Chandler? He's just being Chandler, clueless but somehow essential. Camp setup is pure chaos. Chickens are running wild.